This is for anyone who thinks that they can't do nail stamping, and I wanted to take one main design and show you that there's at least 4 ways that you can take your manicure to the next level. We have something for anybody, everybody on the nail stamping journey, so you can pick and choose whatever your taste is. If you're a one stamp kind of person and just want to do one color, that works too. If you want to do a layered stamp, that works as well. If you want to do reverse color stamp with the layering, you can do that. Each option gets gradually, has more work, more time invested. And then if you want to get super fancy, you could add a powder and reverse and layer stamp. Did you guys like seeing the progression of this design? It just goes to show that there are so many things that you can do, and this is just one design.